We don't need no walkie-talkies, no walkie-talkies. We don't need your call from 1 off in the morning, Covey, no. We don't need no walkie-talkies, no walkie-talkies. We just want our retreat to stay in the cover to go. And the last shall be first to immerse in a pass out heat, facing him up with a moxie melt till he woke up drowning in tchotchke hell. More in a cave with a torch on the wall than a window arrangement of porcelain dolls on a brand new day. Saw what he saw, property owners who crawled on the mall with a bad toupee and a face like he author the law. Pace like the morning of loss, right hand on a can of worms, left full of gold he will trade for turf. I mean that's okay, you gotta answer to you at the end of the volatile day. But a model of mercy and might no way, marionette will clap and obey. Dude, look, all that noise, call that flight of the water boys. Meet and greet and they all slept five, cheek to cheek when they colonized. And a grown-ass man shall abide as he wish. Walk that path with a diamond and stick, walk that path with a diamond and wine, walk that path with a firing line, just walk. Pay no mind to the new recruit with the Plato spine. Let's be friends from opposite ends. Wait to the kid, don't hop on the fence. Play to the radius far and away. Orbit wide, don't park in his space. One little martyr who talk in his face. Make one little weatherman sharpen a blade. Walkie-talkies, no walkie-talkies. We don't need your call from 1 off in the morning, Covey, no. We don't need no walkie-talkies, no walkie-talkies. We just want our hermitry to stay in a cover to go. And the last shall be first to the curb at the mad cow meet, facing the bars of a regular cell when he woke up high in collectible hell. Boomtown kid who was taught by the bins that a man who expired with the most shit win. That's warpy American nonsense penned by the rich, not a routine framed in a pinch. Still not used to the statue it grows up, otherwise loose to the vents. In the case the afraid observer, got a pro kids box full of lamest terms. It goes A, peace, pray for the plague, major relief in capacious rains. But just cause I don't wanna war with you, don't mean go warm up the barbecue. I'm like pardon you, sword off limit. My high noon is a quick little minute. I don't wanna spend it, sin with a critic who simply isn't gonna ever really get it. This HQ is alive and alone, no driveway, no sign of a home, no downtown, no line for the phone. No world's tiny as violent song, and I might just lie to a more. Lying in the morgue with a deep breath, hiding aboard, biting a smile, highly annoyed when the timing is right. I'll rise and record, call for the monster beats and blockhead got animal drums like your Dr. Teeth. It goes red like green light, 1, 2, 3. One large coffee, fuck you, peace. Blockhead, what up, man? I tell you to get up off your couch, but